Welcome everyone, I'm Alison with Continental Bead Suppliers. Thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to share a super fast way to update a crossbody bag for a new season. This could be a plain, simple everyday bag like this one, or a fancier version. You can use many of our heavier chains, just being aware that the inside diameter of the chain should be able to accommodate the findings and the rings and clasps. So that should be just wide enough for these to go through. Perhaps you could also create some clip-on charms to attach at various points along the chain. Really, you're only limited by your imagination. But for now, here are the basics. So for our crossbody makeover, we'll need a crossbody bag with a detachable strap, either on one or both sides. This one happens to be a single side, so it just comes apart like that. About 15 inches of a 25 by 9mm box paperclip chain. It comes in your choice of 7 different colours. The part number is CH-934. 2 pairs of flatnose pliers. These can either be protected with a little bit of washi tape like I have here on the ends, or you can use a nylon jaw plier. And that's all we need. So to do this, the first thing I'm going to do is to take 5 links here and just remove them from this length of chain. So 2, 4, 5. And just carefully open this up, just enough to get the links out, like that. And I'm going to attach this onto the loop on the bag that I just took the clasp off. So I need to make that a little bit wider. Close that up there. Onto this piece here, so then I can attach the clasp back on there, and that in itself has just added a little extra detail here. But I'm not going to stop there. I'm just going to add this other length here onto these 2 rings that we have on either side, and it'll just add another little detail. So again, I need to open one of the links on one end here, attach onto the finding, and then we'll do the same on this one. Put this down. And there we have a brand new look on our everyday crossbody bag. You can do all sorts of things to embellish this a little bit further. You could perhaps attach some charms, some different charms that we carry. You could put them on a lobster claw and just have them to be able to remove them on and off. You could hang a tassel on here, create a tassel out of chain. There's so many different things you can do, but this is a basic update, so I hope you enjoy it. If you did enjoy this quick little video, please give us a like and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, we love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.